Be ready for the dictation. Exercise 37. Start. On the basis of the definition, we can find in clause 2 to undisclosed asset located outside India means an asset including financial interest in any entity located outside India held by the assessee in his name or in respect of which he is a beneficial owner and he has no explanation about the source of investment. This is more or less expansion of section 139. If we go further, clause 4 also defines like that. Finally, we can very easily find out how the architecture of this bill is repeated on the basis of the Income Tax Act. The Income Tax Act is also having the assessing officer. It is having its own hierarchy of officers who go into it. If the officer has given a verdict, then about that there is an appeal provision given for the tax appellate tribunal. Similarly, the tax appellate tribunal is vested with the same powers in this bill for the violation also. Then they can go to the High Court and finally they can end up in the Supreme Court. This is the architecture on which this bill is made. That means we are repeating the same act which is already there in the Income Tax Act and we are culling out certain portions and defining it further and saying that we want to stop the black money. Actually, we are not addressing the problem which we have promised to the people. In the international convention, also, we have shown such a position, and I will quote from Article 3 of the International Convention. This convention shall apply in accordance with its terms to the prevention, investigation, and prosecution of corruption and to the freezing, seizure, confiscation, and return of the proceeds of offences established in accordance with this convention. This is the promise you have made. We have accepted this convention, but now we have not mentioned anything on the topic of prevention investigation. Only the prosecution is there. There is nothing on the freezing, seizure, confiscation, and return of the proceeds of offences. That means we just want to make a whitewashing of our own enactments, telling that we are very much interested in abolishing black money and therefore we are bringing a law. But really, we are making that law. We are just evading our international commitment which we made. one has to disclose the source of his income. Stop.